Hey there, all you adventurous foodies and wellness seekers. Today, we're taking you on a mouth-watering adventure through time and health as we delve deep into the world of persimmons. These vibrant orange wonders aren't just tasty, their journey through history and their astonishing health benefits make them nothing short of miraculous. In this video, we'll time travel back to the origins of persimmons, exploring their fascinating history and how they've evolved across centuries and continents. But that's not all, we'll also uncover the incredible health benefits packed within these luscious fruits. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, persimmons are a true gift from nature. So, whether you're a history enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or simply a persimmon lover, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we unravel the captivating story of persimmons and unveil the powerful health secrets they hold. But before we embark on this exciting journey, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we've got a platter full of delicious knowledge and inspiration coming your way. Now, let's hop aboard the Persimmon Express, where history and health collide in the most delectable way. 1. Health benefits. Let's dive right into the incredible health benefits of persimmons. 1. Improves heart health. Persimmons contain a variety of bioactive molecules. Anthocyanin, beta-carotene, flavonoids, tannic acid, and vitamin C are antioxidants. These are present in high quantities in persimmon. A study demonstrates how antioxidants protect the body against many heart diseases. Additionally, the antioxidants reduce the amount of bad cholesterol in the body. They help the body eradicate LDL cholesterol. Another study suggests that regularly eating persimmon reduces blood pressure in patients suffering from hypertension, thus keeping heart problems at bay. 2. Aids healthy vision. 100 g of persimmons contain 32% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A. Vitamin A helps to maintain and improve vision. It helps to make a protein called rhodopsin in the eyes. Rhodopsin enables you to see in the dark. Also, vitamin A is required for the proper functioning of rhodopsin. Studies have shown that vitamin A also prevents vision disorders like cataracts. Additionally, free radicals may cause cellular damage in the eye and surrounding tissue. Therefore, to prevent this, one must consume antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants like vitamin C, carotenoids, and flavonoids can reduce free radicals in the body. Thus, they can prevent potential damage to the eyes. 3. Regulates blood sugar levels. Persimmons are fiber-rich foods. The dietary fibers help to slow down glucose and carbohydrate absorption by the intestines. As a result, this can prevent glucose spikes in the blood. Therefore, persimmons are a healthy snack for people with diabetes. Also, a study suggests that beta-carotene present in persimmons reduces the risk of diabetes. Other bioactive molecules like flavonoids, tannic acid, and anthocyanin also help to reduce the risk of diabetes. These bioactive molecules prevent oxidative stress in the body. These factors contribute to a healthier body and a lower risk for diabetes. 4. Better skin health. Persimmons find usage as a remedy for skin problems, like pimples, scarring, blemishes, uneven pigmentation, and eczema. This quality is due to its anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds present in persimmons. Some studies demonstrated that they might prevent inflammation in the skin due to sun damage. The antioxidants help prevent cellular damage caused by free radicals and UV light. Therefore, this can slow down aging in the skin and prevent early wrinkles. The antioxidants also cause an even skin tone by reducing dark spots. These blemishes may be caused by scarring due to acne and minor injuries on the skin. Therefore, you can achieve an even skin tone by using antioxidants on your skin. Regular usage can cause a reduction in acne, scarring, and redness. 5. Reduces inflammation. Persimmons are a great source of antioxidants like vitamin C. Also, they contain a high amount of vitamin A and flavonoids. These compounds are anti-inflammatory, meaning they help to reduce inflammation in our body. Inflammation is a defense mechanism for the body to combat infections. Studies have shown that antioxidants like vitamin C act by reducing the proteins in our body that cause inflammation. Prolonged inflammation can lead to arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Therefore, it is essential to consume anti-inflammatory foods. 6. Anti-cancer properties. Persimmon has potent anti-cancer qualities. They can reduce the growth and spread of many types of cancers. For example, a study suggests the cytotoxic effects of persimmon extracts on colorectal cancer cell lines. Therefore, this implies that the bioactive compounds in persimmon could kill these cancer cells and prevent them from spreading. This phenomenon is due to the high amounts of antioxidants and bioactive compounds present in persimmon. These compounds stop the cell cycle in cancer cells, leading to cell death. Thus, persimmon shows promising abilities against cancer formation and spread. In addition, it can also reduce the risk of many types of cancers as well. 7. Weight management. Persimmons can be a helpful addition to a weight management plan due to several reasons. Firstly, they are low in calories and fat while providing a satisfying sweetness, making them a healthier alternative to high-calorie snacks. Secondly, persimmons are a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes feelings of fullness and reduces overeating. The fiber content also aids in regulating blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings. Lastly, persimmons contain a decent amount of water, which contributes to hydration and can help curb hunger. Including persimmons as part of a balanced diet can support weight management efforts. 8. Supports immune system. The vitamin C content in persimmons boosts the immune system, helping to defend the body against infections and illnesses. It also enhances collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin, bones, and connective tissues. 9. Helps the digestive system. Persimmons contain dietary fiber, which aids in promoting a healthy digestive system. The fiber content adds bulk to the stool, helping to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which are essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Furthermore, persimmons contain tannins, which have astringent properties that can soothe and alleviate symptoms of diarrhea. The combination of fiber and tannins in persimmons can help regulate bowel movements, improve digestive health, and contribute to overall gastrointestinal well-being when incorporated into a balanced diet. 10. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidant content in persimmons plays a vital role in promoting good health. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, help protect the body against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This protection is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system, reducing inflammation, and preventing chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Additionally, antioxidants promote skin health by combating aging effects and supporting collagen production. Including persimmons in your diet can boost your antioxidant intake, contributing to overall well-being and a lower risk of various health conditions. 2. Nutrition facts. Nutrition facts of persimmon. 100 grams of persimmons contain energy, 70 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 18.59 g. Proteins, 0.58 g. Fats, 0.19 g. Fiber, 3.6 g. Vitamin A, 489 milligrams, 32% of DV. Vitamin B1, 0.03 milligrams, 3% DV. Folate, 8 micrograms, 2% DV. Vitamin C, 7.5 milligrams. Now that you're aware of the incredible health benefits, let's break down the nutrition facts. How to eat persimmons. 1. Different forms. Persimmons are a very versatile fruit that one can eat when it is fresh and raw or even when it is dried. One can also eat their seeds and skin. In addition, you can add them to desserts, salads, savory foods, and baked goods. 2. Best time to eat them. It is better not to eat persimmons early in the morning on an empty stomach. Eating persimmons early on an empty stomach may cause symptoms like nausea and vomiting. Therefore, preferably eat persimmons later in the day as a mid-morning or evening snack. Similarly, do not eat persimmons late at night. Eating foods like persimmons late at night can also cause a spike in blood sugar. As a result, this would increase energy in the body and lead to inadequate sleep. A research case study demonstrated that eating many dried persimmons leads to intestinal blockages. Also, eating a lot of persimmons can cause diarrhea, bloating, gas, or constipation. However, this is because the body can't digest that many persimmons simultaneously. Therefore, the recommended daily intake of persimmons is 1 fruit. Conclusion. In conclusion, persimmons are not just another fruit, they are a treasure trove of health benefits and flavor. So, whether you're enjoying them fresh, blended into a smoothie, added to your salads, or incorporated into your baked goods, you're reaping the rewards of this exceptional fruit. We hope you've learned something new about persimmons today. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you can stay in the loop for more tantalizing and informative content. Stay healthy, stay curious, and, as always, keep exploring the amazing world of food and its hidden treasures.